If you want to use GitHub Copilot free of cost, then this video is for you. Recently in December 2024, GitHub has announced a new feature. This is the GitHub Copilot free of cost. All you have to do is download the latest version of VS Code, or if you are having some older version, then make sure to update it. Now you will see that there is a new icon near your search window. Click on that and there will be an option to login. Here you can log in with your personal GitHub account. You don't have to pay anything, and now you have full access to the GitHub Copilot. But there is a limit. And what is that limit? So in this free account, you will get only 2000 code completions in a month plus 50 chat. If you want to chat with GitHub Copilot, there is a limit of, I will say again, 2000 code completion in a month plus 50 chat. But this is all free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. No credit card is required. Everything is totally free of cost. Now that was all about this announcement. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.